Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Desi water filter at home. First, gather your materials. You'll need 2 buckets, a spigot, and filter media. Make sure one bucket can sit inside the other, leaving a small space at the bottom. You'll also need clean sand, gravel, and activated charcoal to create your filtration layers. This simple setup is the foundation for clean water. Next, prepare your top bucket. Drill a small hole in its bottom to allow water to pass through. Line the bottom with a clean cloth or mesh to prevent your filter media from falling out. Now, carefully add your filtration layers. Start with a layer of activated charcoal, followed by fine sand, and then a layer of coarse sand. Each layer plays a crucial role in purifying the water. Now it's time to assemble your filter. Install the spigot near the bottom of your second, lower bucket, which will collect the filtered water. Carefully place the top bucket, with its filter layers, inside the lower collection bucket. Once assembled, slowly pour some water into the top filter bucket. Observe the water dripping from the spigot to ensure everything is working correctly. To maintain your Desi water filter, remember to replace the filter media every few months to ensure it continues to purify effectively. Regularly clean both buckets to prevent any bacterial buildup. While this filter significantly improves water quality, it's always a good practice to boil the filtered water before drinking, especially if you're unsure about the source. Stay safe and enjoy cleaner water.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.